MELI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is MercadoLibre stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Ultimately, this is a very beautiful, solid, bullish market, and the only thing that I'm looking to do is how can I double down so I can buy more. So how's this gonna look like? It's a solid one. I mean, if I look at the top here, you will see that that's where we are. One thing that I'll care most about is the price pulling down and giving me a shift. Now, oh my goodness, there's so much liquidity here, holy crap. Right, so this is a wild guess. I mean, I'm not gonna immediately buy, obviously still be waiting for a shift, but the only thing that's gonna matter to me is a double break. And if we don't grab the liquidity, because bro, this is about to be free. There's so much liquidity beneath here, it's crazy. I genuinely, this is just my discretion working, but if that happens and there is a double break, I'm looking to take it further up. But I generally am guessing that the price is going to come back down, grab some liquidity or whatever, mitigate the demand, and then pull the trigger up. Obviously, without the confirmation happening, I'm not going to buy. So stay tuned, and I'm going to have a big waiting line here. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights plus free stock picks, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.